Hello, guys! As you can read in the title, only aliens can hear this sound. Are you a real person or not? Perhaps you are an alien. Let me see. I will put you on the test. This test will determine whether you are an alien or not. So be ready. But first, click that like and subscribe button with notifications on, please. Yeet! The test will start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, tell me in the comment section. What level are you? I have a doubt that you are an alien. Let's see. No, I mean, you should not say no. Yup? That is the challenge in today's video. Yeah, you heard it right. Don't say no while watching this video, so? Are you up for this challenge? But before we begin, let me tell you some rules. Skipping this video, leaving in between of the video, or speeding up this video equals you lose. Okay, now, you should click that like and subscribe button before we begin. Remember to click that notifications on. Thank you so much. Ready? Remember, never say no in 3, 2, 1. Hello? Yes, I am talking to you. I know your name. You are Mary, right? What? Well, if your name is not Mary, just say no, so that I can easily know you. Come on. And talk to me. Just say no. Hey, Mary, I have a giant peanut. I bought this for you because I know that this is your favorite, right? Fine. Simon says clap. Simon says smile. Simon says talk. Simon says say the word no. Wait. Did you just say no? Huh, never? Wait. I found something. Is this yours? Yes? What? Did you just fail the test? The challenge is now over. So did you say no? Therefore you really failed the test. What? That is a joke. Okay. What about the others? Tell me in the comments. Don't say wow while watching this video. Yep. Today I have a difficult challenge for you. The challenge is to try not to say wow while watching this video. There will be 2 difficulty levels in this challenge: easy and hard. Rules: skipping the video, leaving in between, or speeding up the video is equals to automatically failed. So, are you ready? Let's start with the easy difficulty in 3, 2, 1. Like the video if you completed this level. Now it's time for the hard difficulty. In 3, 2, 1.
This is a Nipa palm fruit, and we're about to get one and then eat the jellies from inside of it. Yeah, I think they're more. There must be 30 kilos each. Nipa palm fruit.
So how much strength he has to use to do this?
Oh, I got splattered. Some juice.
You gotta pay extra for that.
Couple mga kap.
Nipa splooge.
Pop it out
Slide the thumbnail under it in one.
Ah,
There you go. Yep, perfect. Yep.
there it
He
is.
just did it faster, but just like that. Yeah.
It's a different fruit. That's exactly what I'm asking.
Yeah, it's like a cross between coconut and lychee.
Please share this video if you completed this level. Did you say wow? Tell me in the comments. Hey guys, let's get started. Watch this video with your eyes closed. In this video, I have a challenge for you. The challenge is to close your eyes while watching this video. I'm sure that 85% of people will lose this challenge. Rules: skipping the video, leaving in between, or spitting up the video equals to automatically failed. If your eyes are open after the challenge starts, you lose the challenge. So, are you ready? But before, only 6% of the fast people can like the video before the challenge starts in 3, 2, 1. All right, the challenge started. Close your eyes. Find the odd color in this image in 5 seconds. I've put 2 numbers in this video. Pay attention and tell me the correct number in the comments. The number is 12. Find the odd emoji in this image in 5 seconds. This is a cookie. Tap on the cookie. Okay. Open your eyes. If you have opened your eyes, you have lost, because the challenge isn't over yet. Okay. Now it's over. Now you can open your eyes. Did you open your eyes while watching this video? And what was the correct number? Tell me in the comments. I don't think you'll be able to click on the next video before the time runs out. 3, 2, 1. You lost.